Good morning, members of the media, and welcome to the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service Weekly Media Brief. I am Michael Pierre, Acting Assistant Superintendent and the Public Information Officer for the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. Today's briefing, we focus on traffic regarding the weather conditions and otherwise, and I have with me the Senior Superintendent in charge of the Traffic and Highway Branch, that is Mr. Basdeo Ramdhanie, and he will speak regarding this issue. Mr. Ramdhanie.
Hi, good morning to the media, print and electronic. Thank you for coming. I am Basdeo Ramdhanie. I'm the Acting Senior Superintendent in charge of the Traffic and the Highway Patrol Branch. The Traffic and the Highway Patrol Branch consists of 4 units. We are located at Arangwes, Garden Road in Arangwes, the Freeport Police Station in Freeport, the Debe Post in Debe, and the Komoto Police Station in Komoto. And we are responsible for safety, road safety, and enforcing the traffic laws on the highways of Trinidad, from Antigua Road to Peaks on the Western Main Road, and from Debe to Mount Hope on the Solomon Huchoy, Uriah Butler highways, etc. All right, I'm here this morning with a very important message, and I hope that you will convey this to your listeners and readers alike. And we intend to, as Mr. Michael Pierre says, the inspector, I intend to highlight our concern about safety as it regards to motorists and other road users in respect to the rainy season and the kind of precautions we would like motorists and other road users to take, so that we could minimize road fatalities and injuries alike. Okay? For this year, 2017, there was 49 fatal accidents. 49 fatal accidents, and we consider one fatal accident to be too much, right? However, there were 49 fatal accidents. 19 of those fatalities were the drivers. 18 were pedestrians. There were 3 motorcyclists, 2 pedal cyclists. For the same period, last year, 2016, we had 70 road fatalities, right? Or a reduction of 30%. I would like to implore motorists to observe the laws, traffic laws of Trinidad and Tobago, and to take all the precautions that is necessary to ensure their safety, the safety of their passengers, and other road users. For instance, I'll have some safety tips that I would like to disclose. The drinking of alcohol. Don't drink alcohol if you know you're going to operate or drive, to drive a vehicle on the roadway. And to that end, for 2017, 10,160 fixed penalty tickets were issued for speeding, people exceeding the speed limits. All right? If you are tired, take a rest before attempting to drive. That is an understanding thing. And try to limit anything that would cause a distraction. Example like eating, driving, and even talking on your cell phone, which is an offense by itself. Be alert for pedestrians. I indicated how much pedestrians were killed in our roadways. In areas where lighting and in our roadways are poor, pedestrians account for 37% of the fatalities deaths so far. Right, so the rainy season is upon us, well upon us, and we want to sensitize drivers that they should take all the precautions. Driving through flooded waters, you have to be very careful at the amount of water in the roadway. You could easily lost control of your vehicle. Hydroplaning. Hydroplaning is a process where the tires don't make contact with the road because of the water forms a little thing there, and that in itself will render you incapable of being in control of your vehicles and lead to accidents and other serious injuries or even death. All right. The flood waters can be sudden. You might get advisory from the Met Office also. But for rising flood water could be sudden and it could catch you by surprise. So you have to be careful for that, especially if you're motoring in flood-prone areas and so. Okay. Drivers should also prepare their have their vehicles in good working condition for this rainy season, and in particular, they should pay attention to their brakes. If their brakes is working, if there's water in the braking system, then it wouldn't operate. They wouldn't be able to stop the vehicle when it should. They should ensure that the wipers are working, heavy rain wipers, so you could have visibility, and ensure that you have proper tires. You know, tires with traction, to get some traction and so. So the floods are very important and thing to take care of, to take note of. Sorry. All right. In addition to that, and wet roads, I would encourage and implore that people adhere to the speed limits. You know, it's 80 kilometers on the highways for private vehicles and 65 for own goods vehicles. Right? Pay attention to your speedometer so you don't exceed the speed limit and not aware of it. All right. Try to be as safe as possible. Try to comply, as I said, with the laws, and together we should make the roadway more safe and reduce the number of fatalities and injuries to our